Hello, welcome to our channel. Okay, today I show you how to make a treasure chest from cardboard DIY. Okay, this is a treasure chest. Okay, I turn around for you. A treasure chest. It's very beautiful. You see? Okay. So what is this inside this treasure chest? It had a lock. This lock is made from cardboard too. Okay. Okay, I cannot open. I cannot open. Cannot open. But to open this treasure chest, I need a key. A key. Okay. Put the key here and then open. You see? Open. This is the lock, and you can open, right? You can open. Okay. Then you turn. Okay. You turn. Okay, you cannot open. And okay, what is this? What is inside this treasure chest? Oh, so much money. So much money. Okay. So I just show you about the treasure chest. If you want to make this treasure chest, you can find this video in my channel. Okay, bye. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.